Ekipa Programa Timor-Leste hasoru malu ho Primeiru Ministru no Ministra Saúde, hodi konaba dezenvolvimentu servisu matan e Timor-Leste. Quarta, equipa Timor-Leste hasoru malu ho Primeiru Ministru no Ministra Saúde, hodi o insa desenvolve o setor saúde, liu ba saúde matan nien e Timor-Leste. Tamba ohin loron ia mundo cada minuto 5 labarik ida bele lakon ni hare causa husi moras rang mider. Hafei hasoru malu sef Timor-Leste hateten nia contente ho progresso Timor-Leste nien tamba dadau paciente matan maioria halau na operação no tratamento matan e relarandet, mas que não sira se apoio na fatin saúde matan e Timor-Leste.
Now, just had a talk with the government, with the Prime Minister, His Excellency Zanana Gusmao, and the Health Minister, Dr. Elia, in planning the next steps along with the government of Timor-Leste. We are from Australia, but we bring the strength, the connections from Australia, New Zealand, India, Nepal, America, Singapore, the ASEAN countries. So we bring not only us, but we bring a whole group of people to help. I will give you two figures. Eye disease is so important. In the world, every 5 seconds, somebody goes blind. Every 1 minute, a child goes blind. Every 5 minutes, somebody goes blind from diabetes. You know diabetes? The sugar problem.
Sef Timor-Leste nos informa, Programa Timor-Leste se continua serviço hamutu com médico matan e Timor-Leste, onde for tratamento matan ba comunidade sira e hospital referência sira no mos e município dele.
We are all very happy, but there is a lot more work to be done. We have to deal with new diseases, we have to deal with more complex diseases, we have to deal with the problems of diabetes, the problems of aging, and so we have now entered the next step of eye services in Timor-Leste. I have with me Dr. Julia, Dr. Julia is the head of eye services in Timor-Leste. She, and along with her colleagues, her group of doctors, nurses, eye care people, not only in Dili but also in Maliana, also in Okusi, also in Suai, and hopefully also in Bakau and Mobisi. But she works with all these people and helps to provide eye services in the districts and referral hospitals.
Cuidados sus Timor-Leste e hatinan sanures sin lima liuba, taxa emanebe sofre matan at no lakon hare e Timor-Leste hamutuk % hitu, mas bem a implementação programa Timor-Leste e a mudança, tamba dados iku saturu kata, taxa ne tumba % rua ponto walu, e dane hatudu progresso bot, mas bem equipa ne se hakara continua serviço, hodi a menos tan taxa ne. Ader Jimenez, Dilma Suzeiti, Jemen.